Right, tonight we're cleaning up a pair of carburettors. So that's what they looked like when they were picked up. A pair of twin choke Webbers, side draft. Yeah, I've just been asked to Vapour blast them, but he also handed me a service kit as well, so I think he wants me to rebuild them as well. I think what I'm going to do is Vapour blast them like this, so get this one to the same as that. Then I'm going to strip all the bits down, and I'm going to put them through the ultrasonic wash, and then I'm going to hand them back. Because Vapour blasting does a very good job of shoving glass beads everywhere. And you can see it makes a nice job of the little brass bits compared to this one. So that's the sort of finish you can get from Vapour blasting. It does take the zinc plating off, so you'll have to get these replated. But you will find the float bowls. So the problem is that. So this is the glass bead media, really fine, and it gets everywhere. As you can see here, look. So you can't just clean it and then hand it back and say yeah, it's good, because it's not. Every one of these jets have to be unblocked. So take pictures of everything that you've taken out and compare it. It's just easier to remember things. Zoom beads inside there. So what you shouldn't really do is touch this butterfly flap, because if you start doing that you'll put beads into the carburetor body, which is not what you want. What you can do is open it, just don't let it close. I think I'm going to open it and just leave something in there to stop it shutting. So now that is pretty much ready to go in the ultrasonic wash. To keep all the tiny little bits together, we use these little baskets. I don't know why I'm cleaning those, because there's a set of those in there, but I'll clean them anyway. And then we put the main carb body. We'll turn it over about halfway through anyway. So this is ready now to go in my ultrasonic wash. Leave that in there for about 15-20 minutes. So all I'm going to do is blow this off and dry it a little bit. And then I'm going to loosely assemble it, but I'm not going to do anything up tight. So these really all need to be stripped down fully. And what I'm going to do is just put everything back in where it came out. this is why I'm not rebuilding these carbs. I'll just stick to cleaning them. So if you don't dry it quick, what happens is this goes powdery. So that's the idea of blowing it all off of the airline, getting it hot in the wash. There we go. So that's ready to go back to the customer. He can strip it down, put it for a parts washer just to get all the, or blow it out of an airline really, just to make sure there's no beads left in it. But that's better to do when it's dry, because when it dries the beads will just, you can just tap it and the beads will come out. So that's it for tonight. So I'll just put this one through the ultrasonic like we did this one, and then we'll be good to go.